Do you have acne or hyperpigmentation in your skin? Bloom makes it simple with this Bloom Acne Kit. Achieve clearer, healthier skin. This is our clarifying cleanser, a deep cleansing formula that removes impurities and excessive oil. It helps to prevent breakouts and keep your skin fresh. It's non-abrasive, but yet an exfoliating cleanser. This new technology uses alpha hydroxy acid polymers to result in less skin irritation, and it clears the skin of blemishes. As always, it's 100% non-toxic with organic ingredients such as grapefruit, bergamot, cucumber, green tea, orange flower, bee pollen, chamomile, sea kelp, and lavender. Next is my favorite, the Pore Refining Clay Mask. It smells amazing because it has a natural cherry extract that soothes and heals the skin. This is a purifying mask that draws out impurities, tightens pores, reduces the appearance of acne, and leaves your skin clearer and more refined. Crafted with bentonite clay and pure organic essential oils, this treatment draws out impurities, refines the pores, tightens and plumps aging skin, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's perfect to dry out poison ivy, shrink shingles, or herpes virus outbreaks too. This mask always leaves me glowing. Now I'll go in with the clarifying toner. It balances and refines my skin's texture, reduces and controls excessive oil, and minimizes pores for a smoother, clearer complexion. This is designed for acne-prone and oily skin. It uses alpha hydroxy acids to decongest pores, control oil, and prevent blemishes. It has antioxidant protection while purifying your skin to reduce existing blemishes, but also preventing new breakouts, leaving your skin with a healthy glow. It has such nurturing products like witch hazel, cranberry, marshmallow root, almond, and linseed extract as just a few of the anti-inflammatory antioxidants which heal the skin. And it's so satisfying removing any gunk from the edge of that cotton ball. Ugh. Now I go in with the vitamin C acne treatment. This potent formula blends essential nutrients to smooth and brighten acne scars, regenerate healthy skin, reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and protects against further UV damage. It's rich in antioxidants, enhances skin's firmness, and boosts collagen production. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and shields your skin from environmental stressors. Experience a brighter, more resilient complexion with this effective treatment for acne-scarred skin. This is the Ultra Rich Moisturizer. It hydrates and nourishes the skin without clogging pores, ensuring a soft and supple feel. It's the ultimate in anti-aging moisturizer and gives our skin a healthy glow. It contains advanced ingredients for maximum results to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, such as mango, raspberry extracts, jasmine alcohol. The smell is amazing and it just glides on, leaving the skin so smooth. It's great as a makeup prep. Be sure to use code ERICA for free shipping and a